Liftify legitimately solved a 3-year problem for us in getting the Google reviews that were equivalent to the size of our business. My name is Keith Whalen. I'm the general manager overseeing 4 franchises for SERVPRO Team Holland. Google reviews are super important to our business because everybody does go there first. And when they're looking, they obviously have alternatives. It's a $250 billion industry, so you want to do your best to stand out. One of the ways that we do that is by having good Google reviews. Customers have actually let us know that the reason that they chose us for service is because of our Google reviews. Our experience with Liftify has been amazing. To be honest, I was skeptical at first. Everybody wants to tell you, I can increase your Google reviews and your SEO and your footprints and all that. We also struggled with it for years. And I'm telling you, we worked to make it as easy as possible to get reviews. Still didn't work. We started with 1. I'm gonna say within hours, we made the decision to turn Liftify on for all of our franchises. Its integration with Quickbooks is so important. We're just seeing the reviews come in every day. And then of course, we immediately cut and paste those reviews and send it out to the staff. You know, the happy customers that we're setting out to make, now they had an avenue. We were asking and they were responding. We started to get some customers that would respond to us and say, you may not want my Google review because I was unhappy with one part of the process. That's huge for us. So the way it's written in the request to give us a Google review, they care enough to actually give us that opportunity. We can make it right, and we have done it, where customers have said that, and then a week later, given us that 5-star review. Any business that's struggling getting Google reviews, you figure out pretty early on when you're partnered with Liftify that you get the ROI that you're looking for, immeasurable value based off of what you pay for the service that's provided.